Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be...
And today I'm going to be making a tea.
No. Today we're going to be...
Making a tea.
Shut up! Anyways, today we're going to be...
Playing with slime.
Yes, but it's a special slime because I just got it in the post, literally just 10 minutes ago. And yeah, we're going to be opening up and seeing how it is. Alright, so...
Whoa.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Got colours, American flag, whatever flag. Anyway, let's open it up. Alright, let's crack it open and sometimes my hand helper is just helping me right now. Okay then. Looks like there's bubbles in it. Let me touch it. Wait. You ready?
It looks hard.
Wow!
It looks
Yes! Of course.
It looks hard.
It's not.
That part looks like gum. It's all watery at the bottom.
It's not.
Look, it has all bubbles. Oh wait.
Wow.
I wonder what color it will make if you mix it.
Well, let's just try with it. And I think this is fluffy slime. So, wow, look at the market rate. Look at that. Alright, let's just say that we're drowning in slime. So come out of the slime. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, Katie, close up. Katie. No. Katie. Zoom in for some satisfying. Okay, touch it. Ah! Oh, okay. Ready? Wow. Awesome. Wow. It's amazing. Okay, now my turn. Okay. Is it cool? So cool.
Zoom in.
Zoom.
Hey. I want to play with it.
So cool.
Put it in full zoom.
Okay.
Last time. Can somebody hold this up?
And yes, we're already in our Christmas outfits. Okay, we have a challenge for you. We want to see if you can subscribe and, well, maybe just like in under 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can do that, comment down below, #communicating, and I will reply to you. Slime
Okay.
crazy. Alright, let me take this slime out of the cup. Alright, here it is. Okay, don't get it on your clothes.
Oh.
Remember what people say, not to get on your clothes.
Oh, and
Okay.
guys,
Isn't this awesome? I think it makes purple when it's done, but let's just play with it. This is so cool. This is the perfect slime. And yes, I did buy it, and it's fluffy slime, so I didn't have to make it. Also, if you want to see
table. Wow. Zoom it in.
Also, if you want to see my borax slime, the slime that I made, go check out my last video before this one. And yeah, give it a like.
And a little bit.
That's not doing anything. Just making it flat. Wow. Fidget. No, not like that. Just like this. Yeah.
The colors, they're so cool.
Yeah. I'm guessing it'll make purple because maybe pink. I mean, it's not like blue. Hang on. Oh. Zoom in. Stop doing that. Well, that's probably it for today, guys. If you want to see more slime videos, give this video a nice big thumbs up and maybe comments. So
Oh,
yeah.
wiggle. Sorry, Lixie wasn't in the video.
And yeah, if you wanna
And the water. Any water away.